Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we'll be baking some apple muffins. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, preheat the oven to 200 degrees. In a bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder and salt. In another bowl, mix the sugar and melted butter together until smooth. Slowly add in alternating amounts of the flour mix and milk until it's all combined and smooth. Finally, fold the apple into the mix. Lightly grease your muffin tin before adding the mixture to prevent sticking. Now pour the batter into the muffin tin and bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. They're done when you insert a toothpick into a muffin and it comes out clean. These will go down a treat with friends and family, even those that normally stick to chocolate muffins. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.